Alright, it looks like we're okay. Everything is set. Welcome everyone. Welcome to another live stream. It's Wednesday, 24th of June, 2026. We're here for you with another session. Hope you're all doing great. I'm gonna have a sip of my coffee until a couple of you join. If you're watching the recording, please like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and join our community. I'm gonna throw the link on the chat right now. We're close to 100 members. Close to 100 members in the community. It's a milestone. And obviously, I'm thinking of a giveaway. I was thinking of some sort of maybe a month of DMA and level because the community is free, so can't really give away anything other than that, and I don't have time for one-on-one. Honestly, that's one of the reasons I stopped it. Alright, let's start it. Let's start by what I had yesterday. The US dollar Canadian stopped out close to end of the session. I kept it actually for the session changeover, but after session changeover I did not like it again, and once I saw that they're not really respecting it, honestly I have to take you here to see why I closed it. So once they came here and they came back up, I decided, and they broke the high again, I decided to close it because it's really against what I usually do. And I was thinking of a Tuesday reversal. That won't happen again. And yeah, that's just a stopped out trade. Maybe I saved 5-6 pips. I closed it before, or 10 pips before stop loss. And then we had US30. US30 we entered here and it did push nice. I'm not sure it's 326 pips or points. How it's calculated, I'm not really used to it yet. But less than a percent up from where it was in terms of, price. And then came down, continued consolidating, respected DMA by the time of Asian session, so I left it alone and have my stop loss at break even. I'm just hoping that 930 wouldn't hit my stop loss before pushing it up, but even if it does, it is what it is. Can't really do something about it. So so far this week we have 2 loss and 1 running. Let's see how it's gonna work out. Quickly check it. All right. And where is it? Yeah, so US30, everything looking good about it. The bullish engulfing on daily. Yesterday it closed with a rejection to the daily DMA, which is nice. And all other time frames, I like it. And the fact that DMA and level are very close here with the cross not closing here but closing here, it gives us a nice entry. Nice entry could have been a couple hours ago. Not too bad today right now, but I like our entries yesterday below this. So let's go over the rest of the list and see if there is any setup or anything that we can take it. Euro NZD is 2 extended. GBP NZD same thing, 2 extended. This one didn't really, it was a really nice run and we kind of call it. I can go and find the clip and put them together. It is pretty obvious what happened. Exactly, rejection of DMA, coming above it, respect, retest, bullish engulfing, 3 days of rise as you can see. Currently hit the level, So no trade as of right now. If you missed it, don't jump on a running trend. It's very important. Just like a train. If a train or a bus, if you are at the time, if you are at the right time in the stop, you will get in. If you're not gonna run and try to jump on a moving train. So don't do the same thing on the market. It just doesn't make sense. NZD USD. This one breaking my heart. 200 pips drop. I could have taken it if I wasn't so picky, but can't do anything about it. Going nicely. I'm not sure. Let me check if what did we send in analysis here. We had Euro AUD and Euro JPY, the two loss that we had. Euro AUD for a bearish, it didn't happen. In Euro JPY trade idea, let's see. Yeah, we're definitely looking for bullish here, but so basically this is where we send the analysis, and this has stopped us out. This changed the bias. So this was not really called there. No, I didn't call NZD USD. I don't see sending the analysis. So that's something I have to fix. Send more analysis in the community. Anyway, let's go back. Well, running nicely, and you can see that it was perfectly respectful to the MAs and levels, consolidation between them. So nothing there. AUD USD finally is reaching yearly moving average. I've been saying this for like 30 days. Let's actually say more accurate. I've been saying this for last 20 days. That price is most likely coming to yearly moving average down here. It finally arrived. We're gonna see how price behave here. Probably we're gonna have no trade on this one for a week or two, since it's approaching this. I'm gonna put it on red. USD CAD, we explained it. It's crazy. It's going to 143 right now. And we talk about US30. We're gonna stay in it. USD JPY. Didn't really move anywhere for this week. If you see, it had a push going back down, play around level. It is currently it does have the momentum. It is respecting the levels and respecting the levels. Oh my god. So respecting the levels and DMAs, but not moving it, not pushing it for 3 to 4 days, makes me believe that it's not gonna respect that DMAs much. But it's not 100% thing. That's why I'm not entering. 2 reasons for me not entering. Number 1, daily and 3-hour DMA are far from current price, and I like to see the price close to them and rejecting them before taking any trade, and it's not there. Second reason is that the lower time frame are showing annoying respect and not moving for the last couple days, respecting it but not moving to any direction, and it keep just jumping right back down, not once but multiple times, right? That's what makes me believe that price would do it one more time and then come back and finally hit that level or DMA, one of them. It can just push up, but I won't be participating into that trade. Okay. Market humbled me enough not to say market cannot do anything. Market can do whatever fuck you want to do. You are no one and you are in no power to say whatever. Okay. If you feel like you can control the market, you haven't been trading enough. That's a fact. That's a fact that you can't hide. That's something important. That's a fact that you can't hide. Saying some stuff in front of other traders will make you just look uneducated, unexperienced, and without the proper knowledge. Now, you might think that you're talking that thing and people don't say anything to you, but personally, with 10 years of experience, people come sit in front of me, I be silent. I let them talk about trading, and I let them kind of shed their skin and show me what they are. If they say things that I can say they are knowledgeable, I will start engaging into the conversation with them about trading. But the moment I hear things like no stop loss, no risk management, or I know exact time, or all the things that things that says I can control the market. I know what market gonna do, guaranteed, without thinking about probabilities. If you say things like this, I wouldn't even be engaged and started in a conversation with you at all. I'm gonna let you have the room because I don't need to prove anyone. But you're trying to prove people that you're good, go ahead and do it with your misinformation. Okay? So it's very important to know market can do whatever it wants. It can do it whenever it wants, and it can do it as aggressive as it wants. And you are in no control. All you have is your accounts, your stop loss, and your take profit. And you should be able to manage your accounts in risk, take trades in a way to come out profitable into a crazy condition. Someone who's riding the waves in the ocean won't say, I will manage that wave. I know how that wave's gonna go and when it's gonna come down. No, he knows how to react to different things that a wave can do and how he can control himself staying on top of the wave, or I don't know, below the wave, whatever. But you know what I'm saying. I never did it. You need to understand you can't control the market. That's it. GBP Canadian, looking at it right now, below DMA on 1 hour 30 minutes, it's close to the 3 hour, and we also have this, I think, with the high that was worked during the whole week and what I was expecting price to hit the DMA on daily. It hit the first one, but maybe they coming back for the second one, which would be this level or this level. So 1.86. We'll see about that. No entry for me. Let's take a look at gold. Jesus. Gold dropping below 4,000. Dude. Oops. You heard it here first. $3,250. And you heard it here first for 4,100 that you're witnessing now being broken. Yeah. I might not be able to control the market, but I damn know what's more probable to happen. I wouldn't see, maybe yesterday, well, it wasn't really respectful to enter. Maybe Monday would have been a good day to get in. It's okay next time. Looking at USD CHF continuing to rise. Just like USD CAD, they've gone crazy. So it's about time, they can push it for this week and then go for consolidation in a week or 2 weeks. And then we have NFB and they can come back all of it down. At least with USD CAD. Just imagine this. We can literally go back and find an NFB and see how that can happen. Let's see, what day is it? 28th of May. for NFP style. It's Monday. I can't find it now, but what I'm trying to say is that a sudden drop can happen. Once a push like this happens, you can expect a sudden drop as well. Okay, can't find the example for you right now. Let's move on to the red one pretty quick. GBJPY, just like AUD/USD, coming to yearly moving average down here. It's very possible. Everything in lower time frame confirms it. And they will probably play around this low. They will come around this low and play around it. Come back to DMA. Maybe we can get a chance to take the sell. Or we'll see what happens. Too soon to say. And Euro AUD, nothing really. Breaking the DMAs on daily. On Euro Canadian, coming to DMA, you see, none of the lower time frame aligns. Gonna leave it alone. This one, Euro JPY dropping, but I don't see any potential entry. This moved pretty much yesterday on London session 2:30 was a great time. I was thinking on Asian session for a pending order here, but then I was thinking between this level and I left it alone and kind of missed it. GBAUD, this one is the one I put pending order but didn't work out. Coach, it looks like we might not get many entries this week, which makes sense since we're already in the middle of the week. I'm saying patient though. I'm waiting for the cleaner setups. Exactly, yeah. There is kind of different steps for me when price is making something that I'm interested, and then the next phase is price gets to where I want, and then after that it will show me what I want, and then we can kind of think of getting into the trades. And if you miss that step and prices start pushing, now you have to wait for push to finish, trap for the people, and then coming back. And then when coming back starts, now the whole cycle resets. So we need to be into one step, and there is like 3-4 steps before and after, which combined, it's imagine a loop, which combined means every time you miss that certain area that you wanted to enter, now you have to wait for 7 different phases, which God knows how long it's gonna take to happen for you to get another entry. So just like NZD USD, we took a sell around here, I think, if I'm not wrong. We took a sell probably in the community, not a live, but we took a nice sell on NZD USD, and then look how long we had to wait, and now we missed it. So imagine how long more we have to wait. Let's say we missed this, we have to wait to come back, hit the DMA, wait there, give me another opportunity. So definitely I agree with you. No trade. There was something nice somebody said, I saw it in the community yesterday, not our community. They said not making money, I forgot, not making money, yeah, not making money in a bad setup is better than losing money, or not making money in a good setup is better than losing money in a bad setup. Yeah, not making money in a good setup is better than losing money in a bad setup. It was talking about importance of patience, just like what you're saying, being patient, and sometimes trying and pushing your trade into your position into a trade will mess up everything. All right. So let's take a look at GBP USD. Pretty nice drop. This did really on Asians. New York's London session, but I'm not there. But looks like we're gaining a bit momentum here, and we possibly gonna see a GBP USD longer trend line towards downside. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Wow, nice drop. Let's take a look at this area where this is the area before the drop and push. I usually, when I see a push like this, I would go to area of interest and try to find where could I enter, why didn't I, and all that. And it's pretty clear, as you can see, no proper signal or confirmation. This was looking bullish, and then sudden drop, price below DMA in almost all time frame, consolidating, not hitting any of the DMAs on 1 hour, 3 hour, only in 30 minutes, and I don't take trade just by 30 minutes. And that's the reason we are not in. Therefore, it's not a missing trade. It's a no setup. That's why we didn't get into this, you know. And AUD USD, we spoke about it. Oil continuing to drop following the Hormuz, Strait of Hormuz being, I don't know, the news is crazy. I have some source that says the strait is closed. I have some news that says strait is open. And oil meanwhile is dropping. So I'm not sure what's happening to there, but yeah, let's see. I have nothing about it. And Bitcoin, look at that drop. We're gonna check the US30. US30 coming down. Okay. Crazy drop on Bitcoin. Could be traded. Yes, kind of. Didn't hit it exactly. Depends on the time frame you're watching. And let's take a look at Ripple too. I don't like to see Ripple below $1, but looks like we're gonna see. Let's see. Is it gonna get more aggressive to play this, or this play is invalid? That's the $1 million question. Let me know if you guys are into any trade, so we can take a look. Let's look at US30. Watch US30 coming towards my stop loss, which is at break even. Let's see how long. Almost there. Let me close it before it hits the break even. So I do like the 1 hour though. It will pretty much by 9:30 will break the DMA. Sorry, it would hit the stop loss. So I'm gonna watch it for the next 5 minutes if we can get entry. I don't see it happening now. If price respects in 5 minutes, respect this 30 minutes, I'ma get in again. Took a little bit of profit here. Just didn't want to hit my stop loss at break even, and I have to pay the swap and commission. Right now, I'm not gonna pay anything, so I can get a free chance to enter again. Not paying my broker. And by 9:30, it gets a little bit crazier too, so there's a chance to just hit my stop and go. The good thing about trading, and especially bigger accounts, is that in moments like this, when you say, let me close it with this, $250, $300, you close it. In my mind, it's a trade that didn't do anything. It's a try that didn't make me lose money, but didn't make me money. But there is literally people right now working as we speak, and they're gonna work till 5 p.m. for the same amount. All right, maybe even less. $200. If they get $20 an hour, that's like 10 hours of work to get $200. Let's say they don't pay tax. So these are different things that happens to you when you keep trading after a couple of years, because you might not make it as a successful trader right away, but if you try and manage your risk and become into the circle of not losing money, then you will see this grow. And I mean, I'm okay. I don't need to work just like other people, and it can be this much of the trade. Okay, this little bit of a trade. It's crazy. It's just crazy. I don't know why in the world anybody doesn't get into trading. Um, 2 minutes. I'm gonna have my MT5 ready here. That's cool. So looky. About 3 minutes, 2 minutes actually, for this candle close on US30. Since we don't have much setup, I'm gonna watch this if it's where I want, and if we see that we wanna enter, I'm gonna continue the live stream. But if we decide not to get into this and leave it alone, then I have literally nothing else to do, so I'm not gonna make you sit there and watch me play for no reason. And we're gonna close the session. I think that's the best way to do. I like how it's closing. Respecting that level and DMA perfectly. I like it. Yeah, let's take it. I'm gonna get in. And 51. 51,400 should be a good stop loss, I guess. You're in. Well, I'm in. Let's see. Candle's closed, and it's 9:30. So at 9:30, as I said multiple times, that's the reason we have the live stream at this time. Volume, especially on the US30 gold. Take a look. But like specifically on US30, you would most of the time have an effect in the market by this time. You know, and with the bias that we have, you know, so we're just gonna go by that. 30 minutes for hourly close. This can throw a wick right here. I'm not sure how market gonna behave. As I mentioned, we can't control it, but it can behave in a sense that stay another 30 minutes to close a hourly candle wick here, or it can just push up and wick would be on that 30 minutes. Only time will tell and patient. Got a chat. Coach, I just want to say we really appreciate the live YouTube sessions you do for us traders. There's a lot of learning from them, especially seeing the way you break down the market. I appreciate it, my brother. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate you guys joining every day too. It feels great that I have people like you in my circle. It's not just me. You guys are teachable. It's very important if you are humble enough to listen to someone, if you're disciplined enough to come and show up every day and listen to what the guy has to say. I appreciate you guys as well. Let's grow together. I'm honest with you guys. I said I'm starting this live YouTubes first and mainly for myself to be disciplined to show up at the exact same time every day. I was struggling with that. So you guys are helping me become disciplined. And as a thank you, I share everything that I have with you guys so you can also benefit from, because when I'm at my bed, nowadays, when my alarm goes off, usually I was like, I'm going to check the next hourly candle. It's okay. Because I have a store running, so I don't want to come earlier with the store closed. But now I have you guys. I wake up and say, there's people waiting. The school gonna give an alarm, a live stream going. I advertised about that I'm gonna go live. So thinking that you guys are expecting me to come here makes me disciplined to show up. If I show up, you learn, you become better trader. If I show up, I take better trades, I become more profitable. Win, win. Okay? So, thank you guys. Thank you. And yeah, now it's fun to game. Now it's fun to play. Because we have a trade running. Put you to here. Okay. Yes. Let's go this one. Deathmatch. I have to keep the sound intact. I have to hear. Nice. A nice push. See, another $400 with the other $200, $600. That's a week of working for random people. Join trading gang. And that's USD. If you're living in Canada, that's a couple more days than a week. Maybe you should work weekend too. Let's go. Other than a couple of the maps, I'm struggling to remember the maps here. Get kills with the AK-47. I don't have an AK-47. I'm a CT. Nice push. Let me go to this guys so I can get an AK-47. Nice. Beautiful push on US30. It actually wouldn't hit my stop losses if I would leave the trade, but I'm happy because my position size is now bigger. I've got a bigger position size now. The bigger position size compared to before, tighter stop loss. Dwayne, the work. Fuck off here. I loved you. That was his name. Down. This guy's good. Turning to weak. Don't worry, guys. Momentum. Let me see the game. It was definitely a cheat. I was hoping to. Yes. Kill and be killed. Oh, I loved you killed me now. Ouch. 10% of the goal killing. Oh, you guys can't see it on the screen, but it's challenging me to kill 120 people with AK-47, and I killed 12 already. Sick. Where are you? Amala, you're cheating my mind. You're cheating my man. It's kinda obvious. Seriously? I'm blind. Raccoon. Let's see. US30 playing around. Just like what I'm doing. When did it expire? Leave me alone. It's Killer, he knows the map, seriously, bro. US30 weaking down. As I mentioned, you can hold on for 30 more minutes to make it a hourly rejection. Extend. Not good. Finish. Complete week so far. At entry, still blue. But at entry, just gonna check something on here real quick. Makes sense. Alright. Terrorists, I guess. To find a better spot. I just learned how to jump up there and still struggling to first of all get there on time, second of all stay there for a long time. Because every time I get there they kill me. If we can make it this time. So we'll go above this, jumping there, jumping there. Let me run away, please. I don't care about rank, I want to go up there. Grabber. He's staying there all the time. So which one is it? The 15 minutes candle closed bullish. I'm having it on my MT5. I'm seeing it. Oh, nice. Finally, where I want to. If they don't kill me again. Jump here. Jump here. Ouch. luck. I thought it's on the other way. I don't think I had a chance going up there. How are they so accurate in this? Surprisingly good. Kill me all you want. Go US30. Am I where I want? Yes. You weren't even looking at me, you fucking cheater. What kind of satisfaction it does have that you cheat? I don't understand it. Does it make you good? Does not make you good. Cheating in Counter-Strike is like trading the demo accounts. Honestly, there's no satisfaction in it. Let me go here and change it to full charts. Going nicely. I wanna wait a little bit to see what happens. Let's wait 10 minutes. 10 more minutes. Sorry, I'm not in the mood of gaming. That's why. I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm actually not working in my store today, so I just came for you guys. Let's see. You got sorry, US30 going very nice. I don't bother going to check other pairs. We already did once.